Okay, linking cells is a relatively easy function that allows the value from one cell, such as this 7,563, to appear in another cell. And a couple of ways in which you can do it. The first way is to simply highlight the cell where you want the value to appear, press equals, and then select the cell. And as you will notice, simply saying that this cell equals D6, press enter, and you have it. The other way to do it is to copy and paste. So simply copy that cell and then paste with the paste link value here. The only difference you'll notice this time is it's absoluted. So it's on D6, it's locked to that cell. So either way, you can do the same for this one. Enter equals enter, and it's done. Now, the reason for doing linked cells is this might be our working document and this is our calculating document. So at the moment, our consignment comes to 10,284. But if we have a change in the FOB price of the garments, and so the seller has put them up to $12,300, we can enter that in here and see the effect it has on our total cost price down here. Equally the same with the commission rate for agents. If the agent puts it up to 21%, our new cost price is total cost. So the idea of linking, you can do it within the sheet or you can do it across sheets as well.